So viewers, this is the Hilux that I have been talking about. So this is a very special vehicle to me because when it came to me, it was in a very rough condition, as you have seen in the pictures, because the previous owner was using it to transport farm animals and they didn't took care of it at all. So it was in a rough condition and very bad condition, or everything needed to be replaced. So I just started out with the cabin. I bought a new cabin for it. This cabin was scrapped from another vehicle, but it was in a better condition, so I decided to restore it up, and then I got it up, I fixed it up, and I painted it. And other than the cabin, as you have seen, it had a previous, so other than the cabin, would have seen that it didn't had that hood before. So I also bought the previous hood, this thing. So the hood was replaced and I bought a original hood of the Hilux, and it was also in nice condition but not very good. So we just fixed it up, painted it up, we gave it the headlights, backlights, everything. As you can see, you must have been noticing that there is a cylinder inside. So here in Pakistan, people, because the petrol prices are very high these days, so all the people have been using LPG, which is liquid petroleum gas, and we have also switched this Hilux same to the LPG system, and now it uses gas to run on, which is the original gas, not the gas that Americans call petrol. They also call petrol the gas, but this is the original gas. So other than that, now I'm gonna tell you a bit things about the how car culture is in Pakistan and what was the theme to restore it this way. So in Pakistan, people don't usually restore the things to their genuine way or original way. They just restore, they just rebuild them according to their needs. So if your lights are broken, you just replace them with any lights and that sort of stuff. So they don't usually use the original stuff too much, but the concept behind this Hilux was to build it in a almost original condition. So I bought all the original parts, I gathered them up, the headlamps, the head glasses, the grille, the bumper, everything. This is the stock one, and then I put it on this Hilux. I also decided it was in a white color before, but I like this blue color too much because I have seen this concept on the internet. I'm gonna show you. So when I saw this picture, I decided to make it look like this, but then I had to keep it a little bit simple because I had to sell it, and no one because I had to sell it and the customer wouldn't have bought this kind of stuff, so I had to keep it in a normal and lower pace. So now, as you can see, this has been all restored up and everything on it is of the original Hilux, and it is a very nice condition. Even the stickers on the side, they are from the same model and the same Hilux. So now this car looks like a very awesome one. Let me show you the back. So this is the back of the vehicle. The headlamps, the tail lamps are usually the original Hilux lamps, but this tailgate, it has been built out of a very heavy material because Hilux in Pakistan are used as very rugged vehicles and transport all sorts of stuff. So this tailgate, the original one isn't compatible here in Pakistan. So I decided to build it a heavy one. As you can see, the thickness of this tailgate is very much, and this is a really strong one to withstand the. It is a very strong one to withstand the abuse that it is gonna have in the future. So other than that, the very cool things in this Hilux were the front of it. It looks very appealing and beautiful to me because I have built it, but I must like to hear your opinion. So you must give your opinion in the comments. So let's show you the inside of the Hilux a little bit. So this is the inside of our Hilux. It is in a very nice condition because it is almost stock, so it doesn't look very awesome, but I've used fabric instead of resin. So it had resin and metal before, but this time I decided to go with the blue fabric and it looks beautiful. Other than that, the floor mats and everything is just simple because it is a normal Hilux, so we've built it just normally. So viewers, this is our Hilux build. I've been building it since a long time, but it wasn't going to completion. I'll also show you a running video of this Hilux soon. Right now its battery is a little bit died, so that's why I'm not gonna start it up, but I'm gonna show you a running video of Hilux soon. So this was all the video of the Hilux, viewers. I hope you would like it, and I like it a little too much because I have built it. So if you like this kind of stuff and you like this build, you must follow my channel because it is because I have been building these vehicles, these trucks and vans from almost 2 years, but now I've decided to switch my field. So soon I'm gonna give you a detailed video about my garage and what I'm gonna do next. So I hope you people stay with me so you would see me that how far I'm gonna go. I really like building the off-road vehicles. Basically, let me show you off the garage a little bit. So we have also been building off-road vehicles a lot. As you can see, there is a double cabin, a Toyota Hilux. This is also a Toyota Hilux. So we also built off-road vehicles, but we had a previous stock of these vehicles. Trucks, we had almost 6 trucks from the previous stock that we have bought before, and now I'm gonna just ready them, just destroy them off and sell them off, and we are not gonna buy trucks anymore. So that's decided, and soon I'll go show you the video of how many cars I have and what cars I have and what I plan to do with them. So you must stay with me, and hope so you like the video and you like the Hilux. So for now, viewers, good.